Welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can draw an oblique circle on an oblique square and on the side face. The other one that we did, we do the oblique circle on the top face. So what about if we are to draw the oblique circle on the side face? How are we to do it? So I'm going to draw an oblique square. Okay. So we first of all, we take the line. So we click on line command, and then we put on the auto mode. I'm going to draw a vertical line of length 60. So I'll make it 60 millimeters. Then I'll put off the auto mode, and I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So the line also has a length. Okay, so the line has a length. So I'm going to click on line again. So the line has a length of 60 millimeters at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So I will input the length of 60, then press the tab key to input the angle of 45 degrees, then press the enter key. Then we are going to draw a vertical line coming down like this, and the length of the line is also 60. So we press the enter key, and then we join it with this. So this is an oblique square on which we are going to produce an oblique circle. But before we go on to draw this circle, we are going to locate the midpoint. So from the midpoint here, so we draw a line to the midpoint here, and then we are going to repeat the line. So we take it from here, and then we locate the midpoint here. So that is what we have. So we are going to put on, let's leave the auto mode because I'm going to draw a line. So now we are going to locate the centers where we are going to use to produce the oblique circle. So we start like this. So click on line, then come to this point, draw a line that will be at angle 180 degrees to the horizontal. So this okay. So the line is on the horizontal 180 degrees. So then just drop it here. It doesn't have length. Then repeat the line. So we put up the auto mode, and we are going to draw a line from this point, and that line will be at an angle of 135 degrees to the horizontal. So press tab key on the keyboard and input the angle 135 degrees. So press enter. Okay, so we have that point. So we are going to trim the excess line. So we trim this, and then we trim this. So we have located one center here. So then we are going to draw a line. So from this point now, okay, so we are going to draw a line in this direction, and this line so will be drawn at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So let's put press tab key and input angle of 45 degrees. So press enter. Okay, so then the next one that we are going to do, repeat the line. So from this point, we are going to draw a line, and this line will be at an angle 0 degree. Okay, it's an horizontal line. So let's put on the auto mode so that we can ensure we have a perfect horizontal line. So just drop it like this. So right click enter. All right, so take note of the angles that I use in getting this point. So we are going to trim this point. So we trim this line, and then we trim this line. So the point that we are using, or the centers that we are using this center. So this center, okay, so this center here, so this center and this center to draw the oblique circle. So let's see how it goes. So we click on circle, okay, so then we take this point at center and we go this way, okay, with circle. So we just drop it here. So then we are going to trim the excess. So we click on trim, okay, then we click on trim, then we trim the excess. So we are trimming this, and also we trim this. All right, so right click enter. Then we click on circle again. So we take this point at center and we go this way. So we drop it at this point. Okay, we put up the auto mode. So we are putting up the auto mode. So we go this way, and then so we trim this. We drop it there. Then we click on trim. So we are going to trim this, and then we trim this, and then we also trim this now. All right, so then we also take the circle again. So we are making use of this center. and then so we drop it here. So we trim off the excess. So we trim this off. So we trim this, and then we trim this. So we are going to trim this, and then we trim this. Okay, so we're almost done with the circle. Next, we click on circle again. Then we move from here. We drop it here at this point. So we are trimming off the excess. So we trim off this and this, and then we trim this, and then we trim this. So if you look at what we have here, so we have the big circle on this side face. So this is the side face. Okay, so and then so I want to make this I want to make it thick. So I want to take the thickness of the arcs. Okay, so I'll just come here. So and then I'll select this particular one. So I need to put on the line width. So that's it. So we can see the big circle as here. So as simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master on how to do this. So most importantly, take note of the angles that I use in getting the centers. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.